This video was brought to you by Custom-Workz, where the fun begins.
To modify this blade buckle, John modded the design of the belt pieces and the weapon holders from the original DX block straps and cast them in fine quality resin. He then attached all the pieces onto good quality leather and painted them with mobile quality paint. I like how a redesign was made possible from the original DX belt, where the pieces was permanently attached together, which made adjusting the weapon holders impossible. John did a great job giving the old belt design a makeover and turning it into something pleasing to the eye. Blade fans, this is for you. That's it for this review of the adult blade buckle. Don't forget to check out Custom-Workz at customworkz.com. I'm Kenzan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Henshin!